Welcome back to Boats Yacht, where we dive deep into the world of boats and yachts, from sleek cruisers to classic houseboats. Today we have a real treat for you as we take a detailed look at the iconic Gibson 42 houseboat, a timeless piece of American boating history. The Gibson 42 offers a unique combination of comfort, functionality, and adventure-ready spirit that has earned it a loyal following among boating enthusiasts across the country. The Gibson 42 is a classic American houseboat measuring approximately 42 feet in length. As the name suggests, with its generous beam and two-level design, it provides ample living and entertaining space, whether you are planning a weekend getaway or a long-term stay on the water. What sets the Gibson apart from many modern boats is its commitment to a home away from home experience. It offers the practicality of a cruiser with the spaciousness and layout of a small floating condo. One of the first things you notice about the Gibson 42 is its boxy profile. This might not appeal to fans of streamlined yachts, but for houseboat lovers it's a hallmark of smart design. The vertical lines maximize interior space and headroom, allowing for a surprisingly roomy and comfortable interior. The exterior often features a mix of fiberglass and marine-grade aluminum railings, with wide side decks and a large upper deck, perfect for lounging or navigating from the flybridge. The flybridge is one of the standout features of the Gibson 42. From up top, the captain has excellent visibility, making docking and navigating a breeze. There's often a second set of controls up here, with comfortable seating and sometimes even a small table or wet bar, making it a favorite hangout spot during pleasant weather. The stern deck is another versatile area, offering room for outdoor dining, grilling, or simply relaxing with a view. It's easily accessible from the salon area via sliding glass doors and often includes steps leading down to a swim platform for easy access to the water. Whether you're a fan of fishing, water sports, or just dipping your toes in the lake, the Gibson's exterior design makes it all easily doable. Step inside and you'll find the interior of the Gibson 42 surprisingly inviting and practical. The salon is spacious with large windows on all sides, letting in plenty of natural light. Depending on the year and model, the interior may be finished in wood paneling, giving it a cozy cabin feel, or updated with lighter modern materials for a more contemporary vibe. Seating in the salon is typically comfortable and arranged to make the most of the available space. You might find an L-shaped couch, a pull-out sleeper sofa, or even a pair of recliners, all positioned to provide good sight lines to the mounted entertainment system or out the windows to the surrounding views. A small but functional dining area is usually included either in the salon or adjacent to the galley, making mealtimes easy and convenient. The galley is one of the most praised aspects of the Gibson 42. Designed with liveaboards in mind, it's equipped with full-sized appliances including a refrigerator, microwave, stovetop, and oven. Counter space is adequate and storage is surprisingly plentiful for a boat of this size, allowing you to prepare everything from a quick snack to a full meal with ease. The sleeping accommodations vary depending on the layout, but typically include a master stateroom and a guest berth. The master stateroom often features a queen-sized bed, built-in closets, and additional storage options. Windows or portholes offer ventilation and natural light, while privacy doors separate it from the rest of the boat. The guest berth may be a bunk-style area or a convertible dinette, depending on the model configuration. Bathrooms on the Gibson 42 usually include a full marine head with a shower, sink, and toilet. While space is limited, the smart layout and quality fixtures make them feel less cramped than you might expect. Hot water systems are commonly installed, making showers comfortable even during extended trips. From a performance standpoint, the Gibson 42 is built for smooth cruising rather than high-speed adventures. It's typically powered by twin gasoline engines, often in the 250 to 300 horsepower range. These engines provide ample thrust for navigating rivers, lakes, and calm coastal waters while maintaining good fuel efficiency. For a boat of its size, the handling is predictable and user-friendly, making it a solid choice for both seasoned captains and new boaters. The hull design is semi-planing, which means the Gibson 42 can achieve moderate speeds while maintaining stability and comfort, unlike fully planing hulls which can be bumpy at higher speeds. The semi-planing design strikes a nice balance between fuel economy and ride smoothness, making it ideal for long leisurely trips. Another performance feature worth noting is the onboard generator, which powers the electrical systems when you're away from shore power. This means you can run the air conditioning, appliances and lighting without needing to be plugged in, making the boat truly self-sufficient for extended time on the water. Water and waste storage tanks are usually generous in size, allowing for several days of autonomy before needing to refill or pump out. One of the unique selling points of the Gibson 42 is its versatility. It serves equally well as a weekend cruiser, vacation retreat, or even a permanent residence. Its spacious interior, durable build, and thoughtful amenities make it ideal for those looking to embrace the boating lifestyle without giving up the comforts of home. Customization is another area where the Gibson 42 shines. Many owners have added personal touches like updated flooring, new cabinetry, solar panels, or even rooftop gardens. The design allows for these modifications without compromising the boat's structural integrity, making it a favorite among DIY-minded boaters.
Safety is also well considered in the Gibson 42. With wide walkways, sturdy railings and multiple access points, it's easy to move around the boat even in less than ideal weather. Many models come equipped with dual helm stations, allowing for control from inside the salon or up on the flybridge, giving you flexibility depending on the conditions.
Maintenance is relatively straightforward for a boat of this size. Systems are generally accessible and built with serviceability in mind. Engine compartments are roomy enough for regular checks and repairs, and most parts are standard marine components available at boating supply stores across the country. This makes upkeep manageable and affordable, which is especially important for those using the boat as a liveaboard. In terms of aesthetics, the Gibson 42 is definitely a product of its era, but that's part of its charm. The retro design cues combined with the potential for modern upgrades make it a blank canvas for personalization. Whether you want to maintain its classic look or transform it into a floating smart home, the Gibson 42 is up to the task.
For families, the Gibson 42 offers plenty of room for kids to play, adults to relax, and everyone to gather together. The multi-level layout ensures that different activities can happen simultaneously without getting in each other's way, making it ideal for group outings or family adventures on the water. Fishing enthusiasts will also find the Gibson 42 accommodating. The wide stern deck provides ample space for casting lines, setting up chairs and storing gear, and thanks to its stability you won't have to worry about too much rocking even when multiple people are moving around. Another major benefit is the boat's resale value. Gibson houseboats tend to hold their value well, especially when properly maintained and upgraded. With the growing interest in alternative living and nomadic lifestyles, demand for houseboats like the Gibson 42 continues to rise. This makes it not just a fun purchase but a smart investment too. Environmental impact is also something worth mentioning. Many Gibson 42 owners are embracing green upgrades, including solar panels, composting toilets, and energy-efficient appliances. These enhancements not only reduce the environmental footprint but also increase the boat's off-grid capabilities, making it even more self-sufficient and appealing to eco-conscious boaters.
To wrap it all up, the Gibson 42 is a standout vessel in the world of houseboats. It's the kind of boat that captures your imagination with its classic lines and holds your loyalty with its livability and performance. Whether you're dreaming of weekends on the lake, long summer cruises, or even full-time life on the water, the Gibson 42 is more than capable of making those dreams a reality.
That's it for today's review on Boats Yacht. If you found this deep dive into the Gibson 42 helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more detailed boat reviews, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Until next time, keep your anchors light and your horizons wide.